Okay, I just got this from 7-Eleven. Only bad news is it's not yellow tortilla. I wish it was. It's actually white. But anyway, most people just slap it in the microwave for about a minute or two, even if it is frozen, and then start eating it like that. The only bad news is it's all chewy. I don't like that crap. So I stuck it in the oven here for about 10 minutes when it says 400 degrees preheated. Bake it and all that. So preheated 400 degrees, 10 minutes on each side. When one side is done in 10 minutes, I use my spatula here to flip it over. And then stick it right back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And when it's done, it's all flaky instead of chewy and doughy. I hate that crap. So let's see what it's like when I do it this way. Cut it in half like this. That's the way it is. So, oh, I like that. Just look at that. Tastes better this way. If you actually microwave it, it tastes chewy and it looks ugly inside. I hate that crap. But anyway, this is the best way to bake these kind of burritos. I just experimented with the time on this and I got it perfect the way I did it my way. Yeah, I guess I'm a good guesser when it comes to baking things. So that's the way that is. So